Are you kidding me? Another day, another dollar. Today, Turbo Tuesdays, baby. Locking in $13,000. 13,000, that's right, real money, $13,000 trading today. I'm gonna show you guys a trade that I took after the live stream. I went to Chipotle, I came back, and I was like, okay, the market's moving. I think there's a little bit of opportunity. I left money on the table. That's the best part about it. Like, I took profit too early. Story of my life, it is what it is. But I'm going to show you guys a trade and also show you my live account balances here. We did a payout last Friday for $9,000. I posted it on YouTube for you guys. You saw that I made over, I think, like $19,000 last week. This week already, in one day, we've locked in $13,200 in profit. Let's go, my friends. We're looking at the Nasdaq. We'll push up here, just kind of watching to see how this reacts to this 420 area. Take a short right here, another short. See if we can't sell down here quickly through the 20s again. Kind of holding up there at the 20s, waiting for it to start selling better. Looks like it wants to push up here now. See if we can get a quick pop up through the 26s. Looking for 27s right here through the 26s. Beautiful. Look for more. Push up there through the 28s. Should be able to get filled right here. And getting filled. Nice and easy. If you guys enjoy these videos, you enjoy the live stream, do me one big favor, blow up the like button down below. Don't be afraid to hit the subscribe button. I want to learn more about the market flow trader community. This is the strategy that I'm using to basically pay myself. You know, I'm in, I'm out, I'm taking profits, I'm looking for the breakouts, looking for the breakdowns. Very kind of simple strategy. It's not rocket science. We teach pretty much everything that I use here on the channel to talk about in the market flow trader community. It's $500. And as you can see, I've taken out, what, $9,000 last week, $13,000 today trading. So there is obviously massive upside to trading. There's obviously the risk as well. I want to make it very clear. Most traders, most people watching this video will end up failing and will end up giving up. Is that you? Ask yourself, are you going to be the guy who gives up? Do you want to be a part of the 10%? If 90% of day traders lose money, like, that's a stat. That is a data. That is literally clear as day. 90% lose. So clearly 10% win. Somebody's winning. Do you want to be a winner? If you want to learn more, link down below to learn more about the market flow trader community. Let's talk more about today's action. So you can see here in my 3 Topstep Express Funded accounts, making $4,404 times 3, $13,200. I was sitting here like, maybe I'm going to push it for that $15,000 target, $5,000 in each account. But then I'm also like, I know what's going to happen. I'm going to end up like going into a trade. It's going to not work out or something. And then I'm going to like just only focus on the P&L. It's not really what I want to be doing. So this move right there, $4,404, locking it down, $13,200 in one day of trading. I'm totally happy with that. And you can see this is all very real. This is not a demo account, Express Funded accounts. So this is exactly the account that I withdrew from last Friday and got paid out by Topstep $9,000, and well, today making $13,000. So we withdrew $9,000 last week, and this week we're already up $13,000. So basically, if I have 4 more green days, obviously one today counting as a green day, and then 4 more, I would then be able to make another withdrawal and, you know, make another like $10,000, $15,000 withdrawal, depending on how well the rest of the week goes. Obviously, you know, we're going to look for opportunities, but you can see it's all real. It's all happening right here in the Topstep Express Funded accounts and making money. These accounts are up to $8,000 a piece now. So total equity in these accounts is like $24,000. Basically starting out at 0 up to 24,000. We took a $9,000 withdrawal, and yeah, so total profit would be around $33,000 over the last 6 trading days, basically 7 trading days. $33,000 in profit here trading through Topstep. If you guys want to learn more, obviously there's a link down below to get 20% off and to sign up today for the combine. Like I talked about in the live stream, I really do think that if you're struggling with trading, you're a new trader, whatever it is, it's nice to have like a very solid rule system. The nice thing about Topstep is, it's very clear. These are the rules, follow the rules. You get into a funded account and then you get paid out. It's that simple. Obviously trading is difficult. Not everyone has these types of results. And, I've been doing this for 7 years now. I'm not going to say you're going to get rich, but if you're on the fence of like, should I sign up? Should I not? What should I do? Well, there's opportunity. If you want to learn more, link down below. We have an update. The video is not over just yet, my friends. We have an update. Are you ready for this? I'm excited to show you. $16,000 on the day here. 5,402.50. 16,000.2. 16,000.2, my friends. $16,200 that I made today trading through Topstep, making it happen. Are you not impressed? Are you not impressed? What a beautiful move here today. I'm done. I'm walking away. I want to show you guys it is possible. Hit your dreams, dream big, go to the moon. Let's go. It's right here. 15. This is all very real. This is not like edited or any type of bull crap. You can see